Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome to our next Durham drive-through tutorial video, a handy guide to assist you in picturing in your mind some of the busier junctions that may, from time to time, be covered on your practical driving test in the Durham city area. Remember, these videos are for illustration only, and you should continue to discuss and practice with your driving instructor. Once you have left the roundabout at the land registry, we proceed down the hill towards the county hall. There, we are going to turn right third exit. As the road widens, the sign on the right-hand side tells us that we are able to turn right, A691, in either lane. Remember, given the choice, left is best. The county hall roundabout is usually a very busy junction. As there are 2 lanes into this roundabout, and 2 lanes leaving, following the road sign directions provided by this additional sign will help you negotiate the junction in a safer, more controlled manner. When a safe gap appears, make progress onto the roundabout, maintaining the left lane position, but continuing to indicate right until you pass alongside the second exit. At that point, look left, indicate left, and exit the junction. Make progress towards Durham city centre. Very soon, the road markings tell you that the traffic in the right lane will be merging into the left lane, so be aware and be prepared to allow vehicles in front of you on the right safe passage to move into the left lane before the right lane ceases. This will help maintain the flow of traffic. Approaching the next roundabout, we are going to turn right, third exit. We will be following the direction for Crook A690. This roundabout can be very busy, and it is controlled by a series of traffic lights. If the lights are on green and it is safe to proceed, make progress. We exit the roundabout in the left lane, so as you turn right, make sure you move over to the left in order to exit the junction correctly. Make progress up the bank and follow the sign and marking for the A690. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more content.